You know, I have to admit that I really like clean carpets. You're looking at the back end of a 2003 C240 Mercedes station wagon, and these were pretty dirty when I got the car. They weren't filthy dirty, but they were dirty. So I want to take you back and I want to show you how I clean these. Since this was about 2 weeks ago, and you know, I've got a couple of spots here, but I cleaned them with Folex carpet and spot cleaner. And don't get me wrong, this is good stuff. The main reason I like this is it doesn't require any rinsing or vacuuming. And that really is a time saver. But what I found that Folex does have a few limitations. So in this episode of our carpet cleaning shootout, I'm going to show you what those limitations are. I'm going to show you one of the other carpet cleaners I've used. And then I'm going to ask for your input. What do you think can get those other stains out? Or what is your favorite carpet cleaner? Now this is what you call a nasty stain. I pulled up this back carpet and it was worse than what you're seeing right there because I went after this with Folex. 2 applications of Folex probably improved it about 50%, but I cannot get that brown out. So I'm going to bring in another carpet cleaner I've used in the past and let's see if that can do any better than Folex. So this is a Tough Stuff multi-purpose foam cleaner. It comes out in a foam. We're going to soak this up. Okay, I'm going to let that sit a little bit. Then I'm going to come back here about 5 to 10 minutes and we'll take a brush at this. For the real stubborn stains like this, I usually come back before it's completely soaked up into the carpet. You still want it nice and wet. And then I'm going to take a brush to it. And this is one nasty stain. I don't know what it's going to take to get it out, but you can see why, you know, Folex didn't really get into this, and this Tough Stuff isn't really doing much either. I'm going to take a paper towel, and you're supposed to use a damp towel with Tough Stuff. And when I wipe this, we can get a pretty good idea of what we're getting out of here. Not much. You know, if we were really getting this stain out, this would come out brown, but we're hardly picking up any color in this paper towel at all. So thumbs down on Tough Stuff for this particular type stain. Now before I use my super secret formula, which I've used in the past to get these stains out, I want to just throw it out there to you viewers and get your recommendations. Now here's the deal. If you're going to leave a comment saying that this stuff is the best, you have to tell me what you cleaned and what were the before and after results. No comments if you've just heard that this stuff is real good. So if you've got a good legitimate testimonial, go ahead and post it and we'll summarize these, see if we can indeed find the ultimate carpet cleaner.